Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bitmoji app. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And then in this list you will go to Bitmoji app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.